Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a simple fried rice with the addition of paneer. This is a very versatile dish to make for parties or to pack for a lunch box. Here is how to do it. We need a packet of paneer, that is 200 grams, for making this recipe. Cut the paneer into bite-sized cubes. Instead of paneer, tofu can also be used. Add the cubed paneer to a bowl. Add in a little salt. Add in a teaspoon of pizza seasoning powder. Add some red chilli flakes. Mix everything well to combine. Instead of pizza seasoning, you can also use any seasoning of your choice and it works well. Just mix and match according to what you can find in your kitchen. After mixing everything well, let it marinate for 10 minutes. Heat a teaspoon of oil in a pan and add in the marinated paneer. Roast the paneer for a few minutes till golden. Keep flipping the paneer so it gets roasted evenly on all sides. Once the paneer is nicely brown and roasted, remove it from the pan and set aside to cool. In the same pan, add little more oil. Add in the finely minced garlic, finely minced ginger, and the white root part of the spring onions. Saute for a few seconds. Add in some finely chopped onions and some finely chopped carrots. Saute for a few minutes till the carrots are half cooked. Make sure to chop the carrots fine so they cook within minutes. You can also add other vegetables of your choice if you like. To the pan, add in some boiled sweet corn, some boiled green peas, finely chopped yellow bell peppers, and some finely chopped red bell peppers. Add some soy sauce, little sugar to bring the flavors out, a little black pepper powder, and finally some unsalted butter. The butter makes the fried rice glossy and delicious. Mix everything well. If you like your fried rice hot, add in some chili paste or a little hot sauce at this stage. I have not added any today. Here is how I cooked the rice for the fried rice. Add the basmati rice to a bowl and wash it gently in water once or twice. Soak the basmati rice in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking helps in keeping the rice fluffy after cooking, and the rice will stay single without becoming sticky and gummy. Add the drained rice to a pressure cooker. Add little salt and the water. I used 1.5 cups of water for the 1 cup of rice we are using today. Cover the pressure cooker with its lid and add the whistle weight on. Cook for about 2 whistles. After the said whistles, switch off the flame and wait for the pressure to settle naturally. Open the cooker and gently fluff up the rice. Transfer the cooked rice onto a plate and set aside to cool. The rice for our fried rice is now ready. Add the cooled basmati rice to the pan. Add the cooked paneer at this stage. Add in some fresh chopped spring onions and mix everything well to combine. Our delicious fried rice with paneer and vegetables is now ready. It is a perfect recipe for packing for your children's lunchbox and is healthy as it's packed with veggies. If you're packing this for your lunchbox, you can get all the vegetables prepped the previous night and you can just assemble the fried rice in the morning and your lunchbox will be ready in under 30 minutes. Enjoy your fried rice. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.